What's up, YouTube? It's Hyperstrike DJ, bringing you guys another pickup video. Before I start showing the shoe and talking about the shoe, I'm gonna tell you like what I've sold lately and traded. For this shoe I'm about to show you, I traded my Orlov ones, worn 2 times, and 25 bucks. And this shoe is that stock. And I also sold my Hair 7s for 150. It's my boy. And then I ended up buying 2 shoes which are coming in the mail right now. And once I get those, I'm making a video for those. And yeah, let's get started. Here we have a Air Foamposite one. I'm not gonna say the color. It'll be a surprise. Here they go. Cough drops. They're stock. Even though my friend paid $120 for these at the outlet, and I know, but still, I like the shoe. And even though they still have like 4 pair of size 11s left, still love the shoe, and I don't have Ride over there. That's the shoe. I love this shoe. Like I love every Foamposite, no matter what color. See the red translucent bottom, Penny logo, Zoom Air, and the black Foamposite material. The Nike swoosh, Penny logo there again. This is like a blackish gray sock right here with the red stripes. Yep, overall nice shoe. Can't wait to wear these. Yep. So my next pickups, I should tell you the websites I got them from. One from Foot Locker, one from CCS. So one's a pair of SBs, one's a pair of J's. Yep. So those vids will be coming soon, probably Saturday. Hopefully they get here by Friday. It's 2 pickups, alright? So once I get, so it's my 6th pickup. Once I get 4 more, I'll be doing a collection video. And 2 are on the way. So after those 2 shoes coming in, I'll have to wait for 2 more shoes. Then I'll bring you guys a collection video. And yeah, everybody stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe, and peace.